Hi guys, my name is Karnatha Nausam, your former Miss Manipur 2017. Jamie Pedia hairiba channel ase yamna authentic oiba recipe kaya ama share tawriba channel. Mayamna yengbada singsoy-soydana nungaiba amasung helpful oiba channel ama oigani hana khanjay. So please like and subscribe Jamie Pedia.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Holkip. Please go like and subscribe Jamiepedia Recipe in YouTube, one of the best and I would say the most helpful cooking channel. Make sure you go like and subscribe.
Hi everyone, I'm Marlene Imochin Kuptong, your Miss Good 2019. Tilnegi chini deng na sepaya Himalet, achanga mi tampi in panlagna motivation itak sapo. Anhuan yam anhuan didanahi. Wayan tunjangin anpi na Jamiepedia recipe vlog patin elle ates. Alim na recipe le kovel pumpia et ton thedi tampi omahi. Happy ta kini mangyot kay dia ay ta kisay thebe ulle. Jamiepedia recipe and share, like and subscribe.
Jamiepedia recipe channel hi emite sunga dinga ama sapen a hito ophanin support jing wahitin like share chale subscribe bo pije upiti hi channel apana hi thin lame phai chame chale thilja chung chung kingon dan ibe theding wa hi chun hi channel hi ama chaw jing na dingin support jing wahitin.
Hi everyone, I'm Ring Joy, Miss Manipur 2019 first runner-up. We all know that food is the ingredient and the ground that bring us together. So here in this show, Jamiepedia will be coming up with varieties of food items. So guys, join me in supporting him by subscribing and liking to his YouTube channel. Have a YouTube channel of a tungtanye nene food varieties dia today chak ran aulayi nani awan sat into katrini have a YouTube channel of a tungtanye subscribe umulai melhopi unum gdingi aktham chai ina banpa chai ina.
Hello mi pui hai calling comment kazan salam chai Jamiepedia receive YouTube channel hi amalung setman an male khano chantunga khangtong ni hingza a he ron pixik me ti on like subscribe ni like topic it sika calling comment ni ne kai ni chai pa.
Hi everyone, I'm Kim Paite. Jamiepedia receive emite lakadia a first year here singtang mite wandan phaijang mite wandan le adang tom tom te ama channel apan en the gigele ichai the ding ahi. So let's support him. Please subscribe Jamiepedia channel. Thank you. Apple bangam ya hoy. Bye.
Jamiepedia YouTube channel lo subscribe pa lo view pek seng ding le athai jon lo share pek sup dingen ei fila chun hi channel hin video thatak tak le ngai nom tak tak en nom tak tak hain la hung upload pe ding ni kalome.
Hey guys, this is Dorothy Hingna. So if you're looking for some nutritious, finger-licking and scrumptious food online, then Jamiepedia is the food channel you should subscribe. I mean, who doesn't love a good food to snack on, right? So please go to Jamiepedia on YouTube and hit the like and subscribe button so that you do not miss a thing.
Hi, I'm Tracy, Ngaiting Gospel Singer. Igam sunga inane khak lo le inamu khak ngai lo. YouTube channel a ethayangum ta Jamiepedia recipe kiti. Ne khei chum chum le. Thing tang me le phai ga me chum chum sim dan chu tu hin YouTube channel a ethaynangum ta ki pa piu mi sama ma zinga chule agama dinga mason na khat a hi zekin kon le like le subscribe le share an bol sau ding in ka hun nge na.
Hi everyone, kima min chui le luni chong loi hin ki pal he zingin tunya ka sai nom pen chui le e ho ai mi society sunga hin beham social media entertainment hian lang e pi le e khang tol he jing win tunya ka sai nom pen chui lem ka loi khat ka promote nomin ama beham ai mi society sunga hi nia thei sep langa hin ama hi ama spen hi le kilom ka sain hi je chun ama channel min hi Jamie Pedia hin ama hin nia thei jat jat recipe jat jat asimin hi je chun ai ho khat le khat ki support to jing hitin hi je chun ama channel hi subscribe bol pe hitin hi thei chanin share bol pe hitin subscribe bol pe hitin ki support to jing ute ama channel min chu hi le Jamie Pedia hi ki pai.
Hi guys, it's Visi Kipgan, and if you guys are a foodie like me, please go and check out Jamie Pedia on YouTube, and please show some love and subscribe to his channel and share with your friends so that they might be able to enjoy and learn the new cooking styles and different types of cuisines from all around the world. So please check it out and share and support in every way. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Labon Travin kangay na salam kahindi Jamie Recipe hi YouTube channel min khadahin hichi ne thei simdan an me hondan chule ne le cha simdan vetnum ta ho vet thei channel hi chule hichi channel la ko na hi gamdang namdang te ni le cha simdan jong jilbe the hi chule ne sim in sung cha hi numai kina gel hodin jong challenge phata hi aji chu Jamie Pedia hi golhang khangdong cha jong a hin lai support nutin to sa jingute. Please share and subscribe Jamie Pedia channel. Bye bye.
Hello guys, this is Kim Tae Hawkip. I would like you to subscribe Jamie's YouTube channel, that is Jamie Pedia. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you and enjoy.
Hi everyone. Kay kami na hile Marina tin kan team ho ki hi im ki paum le sing ni ho e mitezong media lang ni khang to le tawin adi adingin YouTube channel lang hi vet no mum thei ta hi ahung ki bol do ta in music lang hen nang fashion lang hen nang traveling lang zong le vet no mum thei za hung ki bol do ta ni zong le ki pa na pi pen khat zong cho hi le tu hin channel tha be khat Jamie Pedia Recipe ama hi abol thei che pi ham itile a channel hi ipilang kai lang ham itile ho thing hang me sim dan me hom dan chukit le phai tu me hun dan me sim dan za za koi gam ka he poi koi mi a ka he poi me hun dan thil sim dan za za te ho hi a hin sim do in ki paum he zingin ama hi sei khil loading ni ho amy sunga dinga hi tabang channel hin bol do adi hi ama sa pen hi in ki paum he zingin ama hi ikithupi thei ding dan dong zong omdi point ama channel hi I like over I subscribe zung hi I hon ikithupi thei na pi pen hi zi chun kenong ka like zingin ka subscribe in hi zi chun na hon zong lung se tan hin like minang hin subscribing ti chu kaya kuna ka hung taw na a hi e ki pa e.
Hi, this is Jenny Thongte, the winner of Northeast Idol India 2017. I know this may sound cliche, but everyone loves to eat, and food is life. But there are just some days when you can't even figure out what to cook. That is when you need Jamie Vlog. It is an YouTube account where you can find the perfect recipe for your favorite food. So guys, go and check it out, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thank you.
Hello people, welcome to Tempting Delight. You want to be updated about food? The simplest way to turn that holidays into a lip-smacking snack. Awesomely amazing. Everyone has already fallen in love with it, and soon you'll fall in love with it too. Let us welcome the idea of a plate of hygienic and wholesome days at the click of a button. Here's a good opportunity. It's worth subscribing, sharing, deserving to get likes. Jamie Pedia ka koi match nahi.